Hi, welcome to another episode of How To with Hair by Wendy. This morning we're going to show you a few tips and tricks. I've got the lovely Louise with me. We're going to start off by doing a little bit of blow drying and how to do it correctly. A lot of you think you know how to do it properly, but you very often get the technique wrong. You're not getting the lift and the control where you need it. So off we go. To start with, we're going to just get some of this water out of Louise's hair. We've put some product on so that'll protect her hair from the heat, but we need to get some of the water out because we can't start forming any shape or anything while the hair's this wet. So we're just going to dry her off till we get to what we call the conversion point, which is about 80% dry. So her hair's just damp, but evenly damp. Okay, off we go. So now we've got Louise's hair just damp, we're going to start and get some shape into it. You can start your blow dry wherever you want, it doesn't really matter. Some people start at the front, some people start at the back or the bottom and blow dry up, whichever is your preference. As long as you're not putting wet hair onto the dry bits that you've already done. So I usually like to start at the crown or sort of at the back. You haven't got to use a sectioning clip, some people just brush it up, but I'm going to just for tidiness really. Now the angle of the hair away from the scalp will determine how much lift that we get. So if it's 90 degrees, we'll get quite a lot of lift. If we're doing it further down, more 45-degree angle, the hair will lie quite close and flat to the head. Or if we over-direct it, sort of up there, then you'll get the maximum amount of lift and volume. So now we've got to Louise's crown section. We're going to go for more volume, so we're going to over-direct the section. So it sits like that. Like I say, as you can see, that will give us a lot more volume and bounce than if we did it like that, so that's going to make her hair all flat. Another great tip is to use your cool shot button if you've got one on your hair dryer, and that will just help seal the curl and keep the volume for a lot longer in her hair. You can see that's lovely bouncy curl that was created. And we're going to carry on and do the same throughout the rest of the head. So there we are, we've completed Louise's blow dry. She's got a lovely, voluminous, bouncy blow dry, and we can either finish it with flat irons or just put a little bit of product on. I'm actually going to put her some Aeroplex number 7 on because it makes her hair lovely and shiny, and it's very heat protecting because we're going to do a bit more styling on it. But there she is, and I'm sure you can agree, she's looking gorgeous. Okay everybody, thanks for joining us and hope to see you all again soon. Bye.